Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online geometry class. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 9, Boxes and Sketches. Let's start. Today, we are going to learn to make a sweet box, nets of different three-dimensional shapes like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid, triangular prism. Children, we will make a three-dimensional sweet box using cutout given in your textbook on page number 201. First, cut it like this and paste the shape on a thick paper. Fold on all the given dotted lines like this from all the four sides like this. Now cut on the scissor mark on both sides, up and down. Now leave this portion and first consider only this one to make the box. Now fold like this and push inside the cut part. Push from here also and here also. So our box is ready. Now see again. Push this portion inside. This also inside. This also inside. In this cut part. So our box becomes ready. Now if we remove the extra flaps from this cutout, then the net of a box that is cuboid will look like this. This is a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. First, the left side face. Second, the right side face. Third, the front face. Fourth, the back face. Fifth, the bottom face. And sixth, the top face. Total, a cuboid has 6 faces. This is the net of a cuboid. It also has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the shape and its net both have same number of faces. Ramya has made 4 more shapes. Each is to be folded along the dotted lines. Find out which of this shape can be made into a box. Children, we all know that a box has 6 faces, so its net also should have 6 faces. Am I right? Consider shape A. Count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Put a tick mark. Next, consider shape B. Here the number of faces are more than 6. Next, consider shape C. This shape also has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, put a tick mark. Now, consider shape D. This shape has only 5 faces. So, shape A and shape C both can be made into a box. This is a cube. A cube also has 6 faces. All the faces in a cube are square. Shapes that fold into a cube. Buddha wants to make a paper cube using a squared sheet. He knows that all the faces of a cube are squares. Do you know how many faces does the cube have? 6 faces, right? Buddha draws 2 different shapes. Will both these shapes fold into a cube? Let us see. Yes, both these shapes will fold into a cube. Draw at least one more shape which can fold into a cube. Well, we can draw as many different shapes as we want. Well, I'll show you one. Like this, alright? What will be the area of each face of the cube? Answer is, as each face of a cube is a square, area of each face will be side into side. Draw one shape which will not fold into a cube. We can draw it like this way. Now children, which things around you look like a cube? They are a dice, a Rubik's cube, an ice cube, a sugar cube, and so on. Looks like a cube. Shapes for an open box. Children, do you remember the puzzles with 5 squares? That is pentominoes in chapter 3. We got 12 different shapes made with 5 squares, pentominoes. If you cut those 12 shapes and fold them, some of them will fold into an open box, that is box without a top portion. We can make an open box with this shape and with this shape also. Now children, can we make an open box with this shape? No, we cannot. Also, with this shape, we cannot make an open box. Now, find out which of the other 8 shapes can be folded to make an open box. Let us try them one by one. Yes, we can make an open box with these 8 shapes. Now, draw more shapes which will not fold to make an open box. Children, all the boxes are not cubes or cuboids. Here, some different kinds of boxes are shown. Below that, their nets are shown. Match the boxes with their correct net. This is a triangular prism and this is its net. This is a cone and this is its net. This is a pyramid and this is its net. This is a cylinder and this is its net. So today we learned to make a sweet box from its net and other three-dimensional shapes with their nets. Hope to meet you in next online geometry class. Thank you. Take care.